Mitsubishi is certainly making a lot of noise around the upcoming Strada. The company has thus far released photo teasers, videos, and even a few action pictures of the brand new truck. Mitsubishi has now revealed an important aspect of the upcoming model. The manufacturer has recently declared that a new engine will be installed in the 2024 Strada. However, Mitsubishi promises it will be more impressive than ever, despite the lack of specifics at this time. This new engine can very well be the 4N16 MIVEC turbodiesel engine. The 4N15 utilized in the new Strada and Montero Sport has largely been updated. Despite the fact that the displacement has decreased from 2,442 cc to 2,439 cc, it is still regarded as a 2.4-liter. Although modified down, this engine is currently in use in the Japan-spec Nissan Irvine, referred to there as the Caravan. Obviously, we want the new engine to provide more power. When we initially used the 4N15 in 2016, it was among the most potent engines in its class. It was more potent than the Toyota 2.8-liter turbodiesel's initial release and the tried and tested Isuzu 3.0-liter turbodiesel of the time. However, all of its top rivals have exceeded its 179 horsepower and 430 Nm rating. Today's rivals have at least 189 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. Additionally, we're interested to see if the current Montero Sport's 8-speed automatic will be used in the upcoming Strada. However, we are confident that the truck's innovative 4WD high mode, which keeps the middle diff unlocked for more traction on paved roads, will be kept in place. The driver can lock the center diff on their own terms if the going gets a little tougher. By July 26, 2023, the brand new Mitsubishi Strada will be unveiled. The truck's features and complete dimensions will be known by that time. For more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.